At the Four Seasons in Miami eating breakfast, Ozzy, a new hire, asked, what did the star traders at SMB Now do when they first started trading? In this video, I share my answer, leaving you with 9 invaluable trading lessons for beginner traders. I'm Mike Bellafiore, and we're one of the top proprietary trading firms located in New York City since 2005, and now Miami as well, and proud to have developed numerous 7 and even 8-figure per year traders. Watch, take notes, and learn from SMB superstar traders so you can grow your trading account. So we're at the Four Seasons Miami, eating breakfast with 5 new traders we had just hired. SMB has recently expanded to Miami and invited the very first traders ever hired in Miami to breakfast. We wanted to hear about their experience to date in our new Miami office, get to know them a little bit better, and answer any questions they had. Ozzy, one new trader, asked, what did the star traders at SMB Now do when they began to help them become profitable? Great question. Over our Four Seasons buffet of too much food, there were omelets and fruit and croissants and 2 kinds of bacon and 3 kinds of sausage and muffins and all sorts of breads. I answered. And I'm going to share that answer with you in this video while revealing 9 trading lessons, 9 invaluable trading lessons to start trading stocks as a beginner trader. These 9 invaluable lessons will help unlock the path for you to become a consistently profitable trader. Trading lesson number 1 from SMB trader Shark. But first, an SMB history lesson to help you understand trading lesson number 1. Back in the day at SMB, we watched film together every day with Shark and those in his class. We watched 45 minutes at least of trading tape together after the close. We'd huddle up in a conference room. A trader would have recorded their screens from the trading session. They'd go up, they'd play their tape. I would give them instruction and feedback on what I was seeing. Their trades would be in there as well. I'd say, stop the tape. That's a signal to buy. I'd say, stop. That's a reason to exit. I'd say, stop. You should add to your position right there, right now. I'd say, stop the tape. If the stock gets above X price, we got to buy more. And we just have all these examples from reading the tape of what they should be doing, what they should be seeing. We really taught them how to read the tape. Paul Tudor Jones, we should bring him in here for a little bit of his thoughts on the importance of reading the tape to help illuminate this point for you guys. Paul Tudor Jones said, price action is the ultimate truth. The tape tells you what you need to know. Everything else is just noise. Shark really knows how to read the tape and uses it even on longer term positions. Yesterday, Shark made near $2 million in a complex options and stock trade related to Bitcoin, but he used his tape reading skills for entries and exits. Lesson number 1, learn to read the tape as it's the best indicator for active traders since the beginning of trading time. Trading lesson number 2 from SMB trader Shark. Now, Shark consistently did the work to improve. He developed and completed a daily routine of effective best practices. Wait for it. Consistently. Playbooks, journals, watch tape, all the things that matter. He did consistently. Ray Dalio, co-founder of one of the most successful hedge funds in the history of hedge funds, Bridgewater, said, pain plus reflection equals progress. Recently, I watched and overheard Jeff Holden, our head of trader development at SMB Capital, does an amazing job working with new hires and developing traders at our firm, responsible for much of the success that we have been fortunate enough to have here at SMB. I overheard him talking to a rising, very talented trader, Cam. And he made the point to Cam saying, you're doing the things consistently that need to be done. That is hard to do. Lesson number 2, consistently do the work that will help you improve. Lesson number 2 from Shark is still working today. Brandon S. is a top rising trader at the firm, and he had his best day ever recently. In his daily report card, he wrote, "I just want to say that today marks a huge milestone by being my first six-figure day. It's honestly surreal to see the growth and progress that has taken place. 9 months ago, Jeff sent out an email congratulating me on my first five-figure day. So crazy to think that I've reached my first six-figure day." This is a trader in his first year of trading. Now, this review from Brandon S. was copied to at V1LanceB, a trading mentor at SMB, who responded, "You have long been one of the most detailed trainees in your work. That has fueled your growth. Congratulations on an impressive day. Consistently do the work that will help you improve like Brandon S. Maybe one day, Brandon S. is going to be the next shark. Maybe one day, if you consistently do the work, you will be the next shark." We ask our traders to build upon, individualize a daily routine. We offer them a template for which they can add, subtract, individualize. That template starts with doing a daily report card, doing a playbook trade each trading session, taking their trading stats and uploading them into TraderView, the highlight reel, easy money trades, collaborate, build technology, book of charts, daily journal, bring your best you to trading sessions, mindfulness, exercise, sleep, and diet. Win the trading day by doing this work consistently. Win the trading day by doing this work, like Brandon S., with intensity and detail. The NFL verifies the importance of lesson number 2. Let's learn from the NFL to verify the importance of lesson number 2. Here's an amazing clip from Coach Tomlin, head coach of the Pittsburgh Steelers, on doing the work to grow and thrive in the NFL. He very well could have been talking to us traders as well.
You need to continually be a guy on the rise. That is a reasonable expectation, as opposed to just coming in here putting in time. What do I mean by that? I mean the things that made you viable in the past aren't going to be the things that make you viable moving forward. You better be continually getting better. As long as you're sitting in rooms like this, I ain't doing my job if I'm not pointing that out. You guys that have been here and know what it's about, man, we expect you to be significantly better. Hear the words. You were a young guy, man, we might have tolerated mental errors a year ago. We'll have less tolerance for it moving forward. It's just a reasonable expectation. And so let's just be really transparent, man, about expectations in this business, about how competitive it is. I never want you worrying about people on the outside, even the man sitting next to you. This is a man versus himself battle. You got to be continually pressing to get better, with that understanding that this is a highly competitive line of work that we're in.
Trading lesson number 3 from SMB Trader Shark. I can see Shark saying from his trading desk in New York City. I can see this in my brain. I can remember this. I'm playing it back in my trading brain. Shark saying, if I add that, I'll make an extra 10K. If you add a bunch of things that will make you an extra 10K, that adds up at the end of the year. I can hear and see Shark saying that in the past from his trading desk to other traders on the desk. Shark added an imbalance strategy, learned from another trader to make more. Shark added a new alert to make more. Shark added a new execution hotkey to make more. Shark expressed an idea with options and not just stock to make more. And on and on and on. 10K plus 10K plus 10K plus 10K. Now, of course, that additional 10K is probably more 100K plus with these ideas, which makes that prior learning even more powerful to his P&L. Lesson number 3, keep adding proven new ways to make money. It adds up. Trading lesson number 4 from SMB Trader Shark. I've shared this lesson about Shark in the past, but it's important to go over it again so you have the best chance to succeed. Shark is super competitive. He wanted to be the #1 new trader in his class. He wanted to be the first to get a paycheck. He wanted to be #1 for the month at the firm. I remember him asking me, hey, who was #1 at the firm for the month? I remember him asking me, hey, who was #1 for the firm for the year? He wanted to be #1 for the month. He wanted to be #1 for the year. He tapped into one of his natural personality strengths, competitiveness, to become one of the most successful traders ever in our space. Stan Druckenmiller, one of the greatest traders living, said, the best traders know their edge and exploit it. You can't be great at everything, but you can excel by doubling down on your natural strengths. Shark doubles down on his natural personality strengths powerfully. Trading lesson number 4, tap into your natural personality strengths to forge a trading career. Trading lesson number 5 from SMB Trader Shark. Here's a lesson that most will never share with you. It's a lesson I wish weren't as true, being the co-founder of a prop firm, but undeniably is. Now, Shark can trade 30 different positions well at once. This is highly unusual. He has extraordinary processing ability. When we interview traders, we test for this ability. Just like being tall matters to be a professional basketball player, processing information quickly matters in our game of active, discretionary trading. Now, there's many different ways to trade. There's many different styles to trade. There's many different ways to make money. But you have to have the talent for the type of trading you're doing. And you need to find the trading that matches your unique abilities. If we made Swang, a superstar trader here at SMB, be a long-term value trader, we wouldn't be taking advantage of his enormous processing information talents. Lesson number 5, using your unique talents the right way matters in trading. Trading lesson number 6 from SMB Trader Swang. Here's a lesson that really stands out at a prop firm like SMB. Swang was in Shark's class. There were many other very successful traders in that class. Steve Spencer, co-founder of SMB and my partner, has been quoted as saying, "This was the best trading class we've ever had." None of this was a coincidence. It helps to be surrounded by talent as a beginner. Talent drives talent. Jeff Holden and I get really nervous if we recognize we've hired an intern who doesn't belong, doesn't fit our culture, doesn't fit our firm. One bad intern can ruin a class. One great intern can raise the standards and energy of an entire class. Lesson number 6, surround yourself with talent. Trading lesson number 7 from SMB Trader Swang. Here's a lesson that should be intuitive, but just isn't for many traders. Swang is probably the greatest scalper ever in our space. No one is faster than Swang. I've told stories about this in the past. Swang's so good, so fast, such a great scalper. We've lost relationships with service providers because they were losing tons of money on our account because Swang was crushing them. He often doesn't need to know very much about a stock. Often he doesn't know the fundamentals of a stock he's trading, and for him it doesn't really matter. He can just trade the price actions and setups with stocks in play. Lesson number 7, play to your intellectual strengths to forge a trading career. Trading lesson number 8 from SMB Trader Swang. Here's a lesson I bet you never heard of, but it can make all the difference. One thing I remember about Swang is the close friendships he built with firm traders young like him. He enjoyed being on a trading desk when he first started. He had young traders who could empathize and commiserate with about the learning curve and the struggles to size up and the challenge to be consistently profitable at the start. He enjoyed playing this trading game with his friends. They made it more fun. He respected and learned from the younger traders trying to make it with him. he's still close to many of the traders with whom he started. Trading lesson number 8, build trading friendships. Trading lesson number 9 from SMB trader Raf. I challenge you to be as good as this SMB trader with lesson number 9. The best idea generation trader at the firm is Raf. The best stock picker at the firm is Raf. He is world-class at knowing what it is that makes a stock about to make a huge move. He's world-class about positioning himself before a big move. He's got a network of traders that gives him signals. I'm just always amazed at how many people know who he is, who I wouldn't think would know who he is, and how many people he knows who one wouldn't believe that he actually knows them. His network is impressive. And he has this network of traders that give him signals. He's not following these traders necessarily. He finds signals by understanding what most of the traders are doing, and the idea just comes to him. Sometimes it's taking the opposite position of a trade clearly too crowded. Sometimes it's seeing that an idea is undervalued and will need to be owned soon by others. Sometimes it's connecting the dots and understanding a stock similar to another high flyer is about to skyrocket. Lesson number 9, build a trading network to generate trading ideas. Let's summarize what you've learned here today. Lesson number 1, learn to read the tape. Lesson number 2, consistently do the work that will help you improve. Lesson number 3, keep adding proven new ways to make money. It adds up. Lesson number 4, tap into your natural strengths to forge a trading career. Lesson number 5, talent matters for the type of trading you're doing. Trading lesson number 6, surround yourself with talent. Trading lesson number 7, play to your intellectual strengths to forge a trading career. Trading lesson number 8, build trading friendships. And trading lesson number 9, build a trading network to generate trading ideas. In the comments section, please share what helped you the most as a beginner trader. From all of us at SMB, train and trade well.
So you're an active trader, not doing as well as you want, not doing as well as you deserve, and you just can't figure out why you can't become profitable no matter how hard you try. Well, let me show you why. This is your competition. The traders in this room. This room right here is full of elite traders, some of whom are making 7 and even 8 figures a year. In fact, our top guys have made nearly 20 million each in net trading profits in a single year. Let's head to my office so I can share more. So you're probably used to seeing videos of lavish trader lifestyles, trading gurus trading off of a laptop for an hour a day, heck, maybe even 15 minutes a day, and then them relaxing on some secluded beach for the rest of the day. Well, all I can tell you is that our traders train like pro athletes. They live and breathe the markets and are continually working on their trading skills. Because at our firm, that's what we've found it really takes to make it in this game. I'm Mike Bellafiore, co-founder and managing partner of SMB Capital, one of the world's top proprietary trading firms located in Midtown Manhattan. And we're always looking for trading talent to hire and develop. And not just to trade in-house on our desk, but also to trade from their own home, entirely using our firm's capital. And we have numerous traders doing just that, allowing them to make upwards of 7 figures trading the firm's capital without risking their own money. But to even get a shot at something like that, you need to have the right training.
That's why we're doing a new free online presentation in which we share how you can get an interview with SMB to become an in-house or remote trader, trading firm capital without risking yours and gaining access to all of our firm's coaching and resources. And the best part, you don't have to be a profitable trader yet. In fact, we prefer to mold profitable traders with our methods and our techniques. That's why we have just 3 simple criteria that can earn anyone an interview. We're looking for highly ambitious and determined traders who fit our culture first and foremost. So if you believe that could be you, sign up for the free 1-hour online presentation by clicking the link that's in your top right corner of your screen now.